In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text. This is a quick, reliable way to fix repeated typos, standardize terminology, or update names and phrases across an entire document without combing through every line manually. Start by opening the document you want to edit. Then go to the top menu and choose Edit, and from there select Find and Replace. This opens a small window or panel where all the work happens. Think of it as your control center for searching through the text and making targeted changes. In the field labeled Find, type the exact word or phrase you want to locate. Be as precise as you can. If you're looking for a phrase, include the spaces and punctuation so the tool knows exactly what to match. Many editors will immediately highlight all matches in the document or jump to the first one so you can see it in context. Take a moment to glance at a few of these highlights to confirm you're targeting the right text before you commit to any replacements. Next, in the field labeled Replace With, enter the text you want to use instead. Double-check the spelling and capitalization here. If the original word appears in different forms, like singular and plural, consider whether your replacement should match those forms too. A quick read of the surrounding sentence helps ensure the new word will fit smoothly without breaking grammar or meaning. Now it's time to choose how you want to apply the change. Click Replace to update the current highlighted instance and then move to the next one. This option gives you full control, letting you confirm each substitution as you go. If you're confident that every match should change the same way, click Replace All to update every occurrence in one go. This can save a lot of time, but use it carefully. For example, replacing a short word like cat could unintentionally alter longer words such as concatenate. If your editor offers options like match case or whole word, enable them to avoid accidental changes and to narrow your results to exactly what you intend. After running Replace or Replace All, scan a few of the updated sections to confirm everything looks right. If something doesn't, remember you can undo the action and adjust your find or replace text for a cleaner result. And that's it. With Find and Replace, you can make precise, document-wide edits in seconds, keeping your writing consistent, polished, and accurate.